In this video, we are going to solve a few problems based on electric circuits and how to analyze and find what's the current, what's the voltage, what's the resistance, and what's the power. So this is the formula sheet which has all the formulas which we'll be using. We'll just quickly go through the units for each physical quantity. So I is for current, its unit is A, which is ampere. Q is for charge, whose unit is coulomb, represented by capital C. Time is in seconds. Potential difference is in volts. The unit for resistance is ohm. The unit for power is watts, and unit for energy is joules. Now resistance REQ series means R total in series, and resistance, the unit we already said, it's ohm. Again, REQ parallel means R total in parallel. Equivalent means total. Again, the unit is ohms. Now here we can see that the formula in the formula sheet, there are three formulas together given for power. We can separate it out as P equal VI, P equal I square R, and P equal V square over R. Similarly, for energy, there are three formulas given together. We can separate that also out. E equal PT, E equal I square RT, E equal V square over R times T, where T is the time, okay? Also, there is one more formula which we can use, which is E equal VIT, where VI is the power. So the power formula we can replace and we can get different formulas for energy. Okay. Now let's solve some problems based on these formulas. The first one, a conductor carries a current of 1.5 ampere. What is the total charge flowing through it in 20 seconds? So the current is given to us as 1.5 ampere. The charge they are asking us to calculate, which is Q, and the time is given to us as 20 seconds. So from the formula sheet, we'll use the formula I equal Q over T. Substitute the numbers for I, Q, and T. Then find the value for charge, which is 30 coulomb. Next question, what voltage? So we are asked to find what's V is applied to 4 ohm resistor. So the resistance is given as 4 ohm if the current is 1.5 ampere. So we'll use the formula V equal IR. I and R both are given to us. We can multiply it. We can get the answer as 6 volt. Next, a voltage of 75 volt is placed across a 150 ohm resistor. So 75 volt means we have been given the value for voltage, V equals 75. Resistance is 150 ohms. It's asking us to calculate what's the current. Again, we'll use the formula V equal IR. 75 equal I, which we don't know, times 150. We can use the calculator to get the value as 0.5 ampere. Next problem, what is the power dissipated? Dissipated means given out. So don't worry about the word which is being used. They are asking us to calculate the power, which is P. So P is unknown. 400 ohm resistor, that means resistance R is given as 400 ohms. The current is given as 0.5 ampere. We will use the formula which has current and resistance. So P equal I square R. Substitute the value for I and R and get the answer for power as 100 watts. So don't forget to put the unit with the final answer.